How to analyze NPS and CSAT score in Google Sheets by using CSAT Score Bar Chart. CSAT Score Bar Chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a CSAT Score Bar Chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need two columns of numerical data to create a CSAT Score Bar Chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a CSAT Score Bar Chart with three data columns as follows. One column containing categorical data. Two columns containing numerical data. Important: CSAT Score Bar Chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on, enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Search for CSAT Score Bar Chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select Metric Responses. Select Dimension Topics. Select Dimension Scale. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Click on the Chart Settings button to change chart settings. Click on the Miscellaneous section. You can change the value for detractors range, neutrals range and promoters range. Click on the X-axis section. You can show Hide Top Axis. You can show Hide Bottom Axis. Click on the Bar Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Bar section. You can show Hide Labels. You can change the color of bars. Click on the Outer Rect section. You can change the color of outer rects. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the text section. You can change the text. Similarly, change the text of all boxes. Click on the Save button. Click on the Export button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in Sheet. We appreciate your business, thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.